This is Josh Cramer, Director of Education and Workforce Development here at America Makes, live from our booth at Rapid plus TCT, here with Sean Catchpole, who is a fellow for us here at America Makes. And Sean, it is a pleasure to have you. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm a wheel and brake engineer for Meggitt aircraft braking systems. I'm on Meggitt's additive community of practice, and like Josh said, I'm a fellow here with America Makes.
Yeah, and Sean's been with us probably, I don't know, about 3 years, right? Two and a half, 3 years, something like that?
Quite a while. I'm not sure the exact number off the top of my head, but...
A very valued contributor, obviously a subject matter expert in additive from industry. As many folks know, one of the ways that we engage a lot in our educational workforce development portfolio is leveraging the expertise of the membership. And so as a fellow, Sean has been a very critical piece of that, has helped us over a number of, across the years, everything from looking at mining and validating some past historical projects, serving currently as a subject matter expert for us in some adult microlearning, focusing on reskilling and upskilling and looking at, again, bringing more people into the funnel of education and workforce development. Sean, can you tell us a little bit about what you do every day and the passion of additive and how you got into it?
Yeah, so I got into additive. It was originally at the World Maker Fair probably 10 years ago, and at Meggitt, I've been allowed to explore my passion for additive with the several 3D printers we have and our additive community of practice. Day to day, I design wheels and brakes for aircraft, and I'm always looking for new opportunities to use additive in our products.
That's fantastic. And so obviously we talked a little bit about these adult microlearning. I mean, obviously we see that as a pathway, right? And it really follows on, driving from folks that just don't know what they don't know about the industry, right? And so part of that is building awareness, and the next step is really getting that inspiration and capturing that. And we really think, in this super highway of our strategy, we really see this where microlearning helps folks. They've on-ramps, right? They're on the highway. Which lane should I be in? And before they get into that deep dive training, and can you talk through a little bit about your experience working with us on those microlearning modules?
Yeah, so it's been a great experience seeing what America Makes is doing to bring education to people who haven't had any experience with additive. It's been a great experience working with the team, developing those microlearning modules and making sure the content in them is technically accurate and still suitable for a zero experience learner.
Yeah, and that's one of again, a critical piece, right? I mean, leveraging subject matter expertise, just like yours, right?
Yeah.
To make sure that we have the value directly from industry, the Department of Defense woven into the fabric of these programs. I believe you helped us a lot on the NIMS credential as well, right?
Yeah,
I mean, you were on the NIMS project steering committee team, subject matter expert there. I mean, and that credential, industry recognized credential, again, we look at that as a pathway for these programs, but I mean, that one is, validating performance-based, knowledge-based assessments, industry recognized credential, both in high schools, community colleges, will obviously translate into adults. Talk a little bit about that one and that process as well.
Yeah, so that was a great experience. We helped create a final project for the credential, a carabiner that has to hold a certain amount of weight, a certain amount of material, and we worked together with some other subject matter experts to come up with a simple, doable, in a high school environment project for the students.
Excellent. And so obviously, not a first-time Rapid guest, right?
Yeah.
What's one of the things that's really been exciting to learn about and find here at Rapid this year?
Just all the progress that's been made in the past few years. It's been a while since we've been able to come out to these shows and get a feel of what's going on in the industry. There's a ton of cool stuff going on in the metal 3D printing space and the non-traditional modeling space, and what you can do now with additive that you couldn't do before. Organic shapes that would be incredibly expensive to machine traditionally.
That's awesome. And Sean, obviously, we very much appreciate you being a dedicated part of our portfolio. I mean, a shining example of how to engage with us and how to be a valued member to the team, part of our advisory group as well, and those kind of things. And Sean, I did bring you a little gift. I know you have an adorable little one at home, so an extra T-shirt always goes a long way. And so, we want to share that with you. We're proud to have you as part of AM Nation, here at America Makes.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, buddy. Appreciate you.
Thanks, Josh.